Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2022 Honda Rebel 500 twin-cylinder cruiser. This bike just arrived with only 1,329 miles. It's got the LED headlamp and turn signals, fuel injected, liquid cooled. Wait till you hear that shorty exhaust. Beautiful moss green satin finish, rear passenger seat and foot pegs. Come on by, make your lightweight twin cylinder cruiser dreams come true for just $69.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.